Hi everyone, this is the Shark SpeedStyle. This is the lightest Shark beauty product to date, and it's also the most powerful. It comes with 5 different attachments, and the first one is your turbo concentrator. So this will concentrate the air patch for precise, fast drying. It also rotates for easy styling, so I'm just going to demo it there, and you can see it's focusing the air on a particular part of the hair. All of the attachments are easy assembled. They click off a little button below. So next up is your defrizz fast diffuser. So this is for somebody with curly hair, naturally curly hair. It has the prongs, so when you extend the prongs, that's for longer, thicker hair or for lifting the roots. And then when you retract the prongs, that's for your shorter, finer hair. So you begin with towel dried hair, you work your way around the head, you bunch your curls from ends between the petals of the diffuser. Next attachment is your quick smooth brush. So this brush has a button at the side. You just press the button on the side of the brush to rotate the brush in the desired orientation. So you can come from any angle that you like, you're in complete control of it. You begin with your hair 80% dry, and then for the best results, you section and detangle your hair as desired to help build volume at the roots. Next attachment is your Express Touch-Up brush. So this smooths and tames bangs, layers and ends. It has 2 types of bristles, a combination of volumizing and smoothing bristles for added tension, smoothing and shining. It rotates 360 to style your bangs or ends of hair. You just place your hair on the brush, then twist the brush to dry and create shape. You can section your hair as desired. For a voluminous blow dry, start by placing the round brush under the hair close to the roots. Using the end, roll the brush outwards from the roots to the ends and engage the bristles and gently grip the hair. And the last attachment is the Rapid Gloss Finisher. So this smooths frizz and flyaways. So any of your broken hairs or your baby hairs, it basically just smooths them away. It pushes them in under the heavier hair and gives your hair a lovely glossy shine. Start at the top of your head, close to the roots. Slowly glide the Rapid Gloss Finisher down the length of your hair, and then repeat this around your head. It has the Auto IQ technology, where basically it'll give you a recommended heat and power setting depending on which attachment you use. To clean the filter, you twist the end off, you remove the filter, brush off any dust, and then just clip the end back on.